Alright, so there with Elephant Man, Rebel Salute 2018. Elephant Man, you ready for the people them?
Well, Dirty Berry, you don't know the thing about energy. And as you can tell the people them out there, wait, trust me. Right now, so far, the show are going wicked. The fans them come out, rain or shine. Right now, Rebel Salute, a.k.a. Mudfest, out there mad. So right now, put the
shows, yeah.
So, at the first show, we have to have 2 shows. But that's how we do it. You don't know, see it?
Yeah.
And the vibe's great so far. In the early morning, it's gonna be crazy. So stick around, don't go nowhere. Dirty Berry and the crew there. So you know the thing go. We're there in the tent to go and hold a vibe, you know? Listen, Freddie McGregor go and mash up the place.
Alright, so what are your plans for 2018? You have no New Year resolution, you have any new projects, any new thing where you want people to look out for?
Yeah, well, we have a lot of new projects, a lot of new things, a lot of new singles coming out. And you understand, album are come out. And right now, we just say, for the New Year's resolution, less crime, less killing, because as you can see, the year just started and you see what go on. But as we say right now, we just there full joy the show. And as we say, just keep it positive. Tell you them say less crime. Please stop. Yeah. We don't want a crime. We don't need it. We need a crime-free Jamaica 2018. Now I mean, bless. Yeah.
Elephant Man, talk to us about in terms of keeping your image consistently over the years. Elephant Man known for style. We're just no now.
Dirty Berry.
Yeah.
Thirst is nothing.
Jesus.
Image is everything.
Yeah.
As bad as things be, when I watch the Dirty Berry show, I see you have your little necktie them and I see you put your little step together. Thirst is nothing, image is everything, and you don't know the fans them know Dirty Berry that way they know say Dirty Berry that energy got that the ear, the cleanness. So we have to just always bring it, always stay up on top of our game when it comes to style and fashion. And we that. And I'm a September person, so you know from them to fashion and we.
Alright. So who you think, question, who you think are the hottest female artists in Jamaica right now?
The whole of them at, you know, Aisha at Spice at what's your name at what's your name?
Shenseea.
Shenseea at the one who Kartel lit sign my singer, what's your name? No, and Kartel lit sign her, what's your name? Gaza Slip. Yeah, man, the whole of them at the whole Macada, every one of them at none hotter than none. Ladies who not do nothing, love no shizzle.
Alright, so give me know say you're somebody who always have a new talk, have new words, have new expression. Where you gonna drop on the people them for 2018?
Watch your sweeps.
Watch your sweeps. Alright. Alright. So last time you're gonna sing the song and more you finish it. I'm gonna see if you know like reggae. Most people don't really know the next line, but you're gonna start it and more you finish it. Alright. Earth to run red.
Every day I need to get a youth dead.
No, that's how it goes. But at least it's an earth to run red, 10-year-old, I buy them one a tea bread. I make them one a tea bread. Or something like that, so? Yeah, something like so, yeah.
And every day I need to get a youth dead. Like that come after that.
No, that could have passed though. That could have been a remix.
Earth to run red. Every day I need to get a youth dead. But I go close to it. I go close.
Alright, so lastly, just look at the camera and say box cover.
Box cover. Watch it sweeps.
I've seen enough dance before, but I've never seen a dance like this. I've seen enough dance before, but I don't wanna come top the list. Alright, real bad man, no we people pants. We take dancing to a higher rank.